coming at you with a surprise Dolls Kill unboxing. They sent me a Christmas present! So, I went to go and check my mailbox today, only to find that I had not one, but two surprise boxes from Dolls Kill. I got an email saying that, you know, hey, Merry Christmas, we sent you a thing. This being Australia and Australia Post, it's like New Year's tomorrow, and it finally arrived, but I'm so excited. I wasn't expecting anything from them, and I'm just, aww. I don't know what else to say. I'm feeling very spoiled right now. So I figured I would open them on screen because I literally have absolutely no idea what they've sent me. Like, I didn't send them any requests. They didn't ask me if there was anything I wanted. They were just like, na na na, and here they are. So yeah, let's get them open. But before I do, I'm gonna ask you to hit that subscribe button because you love me. Thank you. Alright, let us open the first one. So yeah, like I said, I don't actually know what it in these. I've got my handy dandy opening knife. I'm gonna do my best to not stab myself with this today. Always point the blade away from you kids. If you are using one to slice things open as I am. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Like, this was so unexpected. Ooh, ooh, oh wow. Ooh, ooh. So many oohing, so much oohing. Ooh, there's shiny things in here. Alright, let's have a little looky. Oh wow, okay. So we have a purple fluffy top. Funnily enough, I actually already own one of these. I have the pink one, but I actually have it in purple as well. So this is going to be good because I'm just going to have to find someone to twin with, and then they can wear this because fluffy! So fluffy! I love it! Okay, so let's just put this up on the side here. Oh, I'm going to move the bubble tea. Heaven forbid we spill the bubble tea. I mean, we don't mind spilling the actual tea, but bubble tea, we don't waste this. Anyway, you'll probably notice that it is not a lovely pink color. I got tropical today because it is ridiculously hot in South Australia right now. Like, I think it's like 40 degrees. Either way, I've had all the fans on and the air conditioner on, and it is still like meltingly hot in here. So I'm just like, I need something tropical. So tropical it is. Alrighty, let us move on to whatever is next in this bag. Now, oh my goodness, this looks like the fluffiest, no, not the fluffiest. Where did I get fluffiest from? I'm still stuck on the fluff from the last one. Shiny! Ah! Oh my goodness, this looks like a holographic set? Yeah, what? Look at this! Oh, this is so good. And it looks like there's the matching skirt in the bag as well. I cannot wait to try this on. I've been eyeing this off for ages. It's so shiny. You know how I feel about holographic things? And this is just perfection. So let's check this out. And like, OMG, we have the matching skirt. Look at it. Look at it. It's so shiny. So shiny. We love the shiny things. Shiny things make us extra happy. Look at that. That is gonna be just so badass. I can't wait to try that on. Oh my goodness. How fantastic. I love it so far. Now, let's have a look. What else have we got? Ooh, and we have what looks to be a fluffy pink cardigan. I've had my eye on this for some time as well, which I'm quite excited about. I'm not even going to remotely try this thing on because I will literally die of heat stroke right now, but it's so fluffy. Look, it's the fluffiest thing that was ever fluffy. Look at it. Oh, I love it. Can't wait to wear this when it's like not 40 degrees. By the way, for my American friends, I'm talking like Celsius, not Fahrenheit. It's really hot. Anyway, that is box number 1 empty. So we'll just like put this on my head as I am supposed to do. And let's just open box number 2. Yeah, where's my knife? Right. What is in box number 2? Ooh. Stab, stab, stab. Uh-oh. I think we'll just rip this off. Yeah! That was a very satisfying rip. And what have we got here? Whoop. Ooh! Oh, this looks like a shoebox. What? Yes! Oh, it is a shoebox. Ah, fantastic! Alright, I need to take this box off my head because I can't do anything with a box on my head. Anyway. Ooh, what are this? We've got the Black Dolls Kill box. I don't even know what's in here, but I'm very excited for it. Ooh, oh, I don't know, but look at this. Check it, it's nicely wrapped. We have Dolls Kill stickers. Oh, I wonder what it is. I have no idea. Ooh, it looks black. It's, ooh. We have a Dolls Kill beanie. Ooh, oh, and a necklace. Alright, so we've got a Dolls Kill necklace. That looks super badass. Oh, I like that. That's really freaking cool. And we have a Dolls Kill beanie, which is going to completely mess up my head, but that's fine. Cool. So cool. And then, like a teeny weeny. This is the teeniest little backpack I've ever seen in my life. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. Aw. Adorable. But it actually looks quite spacious on the inside. I can definitely fit more than just my phone in this. This is good. Very, very cute. What else have we got? Oh, we've got some Dolls Kill socks. I like. And then, yes, there is an and then. Ooh, a Dolls Kill Yanlid? Lanyard. I can't with words today. Dolls Kill lanyard. Very lovely indeed. And what are this? Ooh, a Dolls Kill tube top. I'm feeling like I'm gonna have to do like a emo Sarah look. Maybe I'll have to like do a video where I turn myself into like a what do they call it? Like an Instagram baddie or something? Yeah, we're gonna have to do that. This is gonna be good. This is cute as heck. I like it. What is next? Next we have got, ooh, oh look, matching panties, if you don't mind. I think we'll probably keep them out of the video, but matching panties. And, ooh, a Dolls Kill tank top. Very cute indeed. We like. And stickers! Look! So cute! Aw, that was such a cool present, guys. Thank you. I love it all. Now, how many boxes can I fit on my head? Can I just put all of them on my head, do you think? Perhaps. Dolls Kill box, going on my head. Yep. And it counts, right? Thank you so much for the presents, Dolls Kill. I love them so much. I'm so excited. All right, I'm actually thinking that we're gonna go and do a little bit of a trial. Yeah, I gotta put on that holographic thing and just see how badass we look. Yeah, we got to do it. Okay, so this is like the coolest, shiniest thing that I own. Like, OMG, look how sparkly shiny this is. Ah! Look, I sparkle. I'm so shiny. Oh, I love this. This is so good. I'm gonna have to find myself a rave to go to. I mean, it's been a hot minute since I went to one, but like, I just kind of can't not with this outfit, can I? Ah, yes, I'm in love. Alrighty guys, so this is now the end of our unboxing video. Thank you so much, Dolls Kill, for sending me a Christmas present. I love it all. It's so fun. I'm looking forward to wearing all of it. Now, guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hit that subscribe button. Do it right meow. Thank you. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me, do you like my extreme shininess? Do you think I should do an Instagram baddie look? I want your opinion on all the stuff I just found in my cool little Christmas present box. And I think that is all from me for now. So, until next time, love, love. Bye-bye now.